Hi everyone, my name is Ashbug, and I'm here to talk to you all about National Shark Awareness Day. National Shark Awareness Day happens every year on July 14th, and its purpose is to learn about these apex predators and dispel the myths and misconceptions of these amazing creatures. Now, this video didn't come out on actual National Shark Awareness Day, mostly because I was super busy that week and literally haven't touched video editing software in a year. But it's out now, and that's what's important. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 myths about sharks that many people may have believed to be true. I will also be attaching websites where I found my information in the descriptions below for you to check out. Disclaimer, I am not a shark scientist and do not claim to know all the information about sharks or their actions and behaviors. I am just a humble Shark Week fan who wants to do their part to spread awareness about these amazing creatures. Number 1. Sharks eat people. Despite all the stuff we see on TV like Jaws, Shark Attack Files, and The Meg, sharks do not actively seek out people to eat. In fact, people aren't on sharks' menu at all. Most to all cases where a shark attacks a human is likely due to mistaken identity. If you are a Shark Week fan, you know that sharks don't have the most clear vision and see in contrast. So, a swimmer on a board can look an awful lot like a seal swimming to them. Number 2. All sharks must constantly swim in order to breathe. For the longest time, I was guilty of believing this myth. I know sharks need water to constantly move over their gills to breathe, so I assumed they had to continuously swim. Turns out, this is not true for all shark species. An article written by Jess Cockerill in December 2023 explains it. In summary, some sharks use a special method called buccal pumping, which means that the shark uses their throat and mouth muscles to rhythmically draw in and push out air. This is what allows shark species like nurse sharks, gray reef sharks, and white-tip reef sharks to rest on the ground for long periods of time without swimming. Only some species have evolved to be able to use buccal pumping, which is why not all sharks can do it. Number 3. All sharks are the same. I'm sure there are some people in this world who will think that a shark is just a shark, but that's not actually true. Sharks are super diverse and they have different species. The cool thing is, not all these species are the same. Some species, like the great white shark, prefer to live in deep and cold, temperate waters, as shown by the light blue sections in this map provided by See the Wild. The darker blue areas are major breeding areas for great white sharks. In contrast, lemon sharks prefer to live in shallow and warmer tropical waters. The green area on this map provided by the Florida Museum of Natural History shows the habitat of the lemon shark. Although these are both types of sharks, they have vastly different distribution areas. There are many other differences, such as sizes between species, as shown in this image from the Smithsonian Ocean. Size can range from incredibly small, such as the dwarf lantern shark, which is only 6 inches long, to incredibly large, like the whale shark, which is 46 feet or 14.021 meters long. Thank you for joining me in spreading awareness and combating some common myths about sharks. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe even learned something new. For the last week of July, I will be posting short videos of my 2026 Shark-a-Lie, which is my own little version of Shark Week, where I will be showcasing 7 new shark-inspired designs. So, if you're interested about sharks and Fakemon, please tune in. Until next time, Ashbug out.